My name is Jeanluc Cook. I am a student here at Wake Tech attending the Auto Body Collision Repair program. As a year one student, you come in, you learn the basics, you learn what the tools are, you learn where the program sits as in an everyday life at a shop that you would become a technician at. And it slowly progresses from learning the basics all the way up to painting and refinishing a car. Everything that I used here at Wake Tech and learned to try to master the craft, I used everyday life as a technician. I mean, it means a lot, showing up to school that you have instructors that actually care about what you learn and use in your skill. I'd like to thank everybody here at Wake Tech, all the staff and then the foundation crew that actually helped get me to this point in my life. Receiving the scholarship is just a phenomenal experience, something that was very unexpected, and I couldn't be any happier about it. Having a newborn at home and my wife, it would definitely help alleviate some of the financial problems that every family runs into. You won't ever know how much it means to me that I was actually put in this position and afforded this opportunity, and I will do my best to not let anybody down. I think very few students in life get to wake up and actually enjoy coming to school, and I don't think that I'm one of the students to have a problem with coming to school, because when I wake up in the morning, I'm just happy to be here, and I always love the curriculum that I learn on an everyday basis.